Hello there, are you someone who wants to learn Salesforce? Are you someone who wants to land their first Salesforce administrator or developer role? If yes, this course is perfect for you. I will be the course instructor. I am a Salesforce solution architect and an advanced trainer. With 18 years of IT experience and working in Salesforce since 2012. With this course, you will receive training and real-time project experience. That's not all of it, you will also get a course completion certificate at the end of the course, lifetime access to all the course materials. By the end of this course, you will be able to create your own Salesforce apps quickly, ready to take the Salesforce admin or developer certification exam, and ready to land your first Salesforce job. There are no prerequisites to take this course except for hard work. So, what are you waiting for? Learn Salesforce the right way. Enroll now. Email us at careertrainingtutorials@gmail.com. Thank you for watching this video. See you in class.